Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Faisal with Alchemy YouTube channel. Hope you're all well. And today's lecture is about how to define chemistry, and we will discuss the subterms in it. So watch the video till the end and like, share with your friends so they can also benefit from it. Let's see. First of all, we see the definition of chemistry. Chemistry, the branch of science, deals with composition, structure, properties, and chemical reactions in matter. First of all, we'll discuss the matter. What is matter? Everything that has mass and occupies space. Around us everything is matter, but here is small activity for you. You have to find out the things that are not matter. But we don't study the non-matter in chemistry, but in other discipline of science. Second, composition. What is composition? Composition is arrangement and proportion. What is arrangement? Arrangement tells us how ions and atoms are combined, are bonded within a molecule or chemical compound in the form of ionic. The ionic compound is formed by the electrostatic attraction of opposite charges and have crystal lattice, 3D structures, so on. Covalent, in the form of covalent compound, the molecule has a single, double, or triple bonds. Proportion. What is proportion? Proportion is a ratio of one substance with other, like here 1:4. The ratio in methane 1:4. One carbon and four atoms of hydrogen. 2:1. Two atoms of hydrogen and one oxygen. So proportion is specific in chemical compounds and but not specific in mixtures. Has a question? How we can denote the composition? First of all, elements, second chemical formula, third molecular formula, and empirical formula. That each element has specific symbol and has unique symbol, has specific atomic number and atomic masses, like sodium, potassium, and sulfur. Next, chemical formula. Every compound has a specific chemical formula, like sodium chloride. Molecular formula. Molecular formula is the combination, the actual numbers of atoms in a molecule, like benzene C6H6. Empirical formula. This is simplest whole ratio of whole number ratio of atoms, like the molecular formula of benzene, and empirical formula would be CH. Next, we'll discuss structures. Structure has great impact on properties, behavior, and reactivity of substance. Structure may be molecular structure, structural isomers, and crystal structures. Every molecule has specific structure, like water and methane. And structural isomers. What are isomers? Isomers or the compound have different structure but are same in chemical formula. They have same chemical formula. Crystal structure. you know, in the form of ionic compound. Ionic compound has crystal lattice 3D structure maybe. How to define, how to find the structure of compounds. To find the structure, we can use the different analytical techniques like IR Raman spectroscopy, electron microscopy, uh, uh, SEM, TEM are its types, SEM scanning electron microscope, and TEM transmission electron microscope. Here, third one, fluorescence spectroscopy. Next, we will see the properties, the characteristics, and what is their role. Now, we'll see the properties. What is meant by properties? These are characteristics which are observed, measured, and described. It has two types, physical properties and chemical properties. What are physical properties and chemical properties? Physical properties are observed, measured, and described without changing the chemical composition. Here are the some example. MP, melting point. It is the temperature at which the solid changes to liquid. And BP, boiling point. It is the temperature on which the substance, the liquid, changes to vapors. Color, the appearance of anything, visual appearance, and odor, the smell. Solubility, it is capability or ability to dissolve in a solvent. Density, what is density? Density is a mass per unit volume of anything. Conductivity, conductivity means the ability to conduct heat and electricity, and so on. What are the chemical properties? Chemical properties are the properties when the two things combine chemically, their nature completely uh, change. The two things that react are called the reactant, and formed substances are called the compounds. Here, some chemical properties. Reactivity, it is ability to react one species to other species. Combustibility, ability to burn. And oxidation reduction, that it is loss or gain of electron. Acidity and basicity, it is transfer of proton. In different theories, we have studies like Brown-Hillary and Arrhenius theory, acid-base theory. So next and last, number 5, reactions. There are a few types of reactions like displacement reactions, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, and precipitation reaction. In displacement reaction, one species displaces other, like zinc displaces here hydrogen and forms zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Number 2, combination reaction. Two species combine to form a molecule like H2O water. And decomposition, this is a reaction in which product decomposes to give its reactants. Precipitation. In precipitation reaction, there are precipitates of different colors, and specific colors are formed like silver nitrate and sodium chloride, whereas silver chloride and sodium nitrate forms. These are the precipitates of silver chloride. This is about the definition of chemistry. If you have any question, please write me in box or comment box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.